Hi everyone, Christopher here, and welcome back to another episode of Fossil Forward Finds. I got a stack of packages here, stuff I bought recently on WhatNot, so I thought I would do a haul video, probably a couple videos actually, so this doesn't take forever. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so this first haul that I'm going to show you is from Wallyman on WhatNot. So to start off, we got a bunch of sealed packs of cards. Garbage Pail Kids, LL Dolls, 1990s football, probably not worth much. Of course, I really bought it because they had these Dino cards. I've already put one in my collection up on display. They're probably not worth much, a couple bucks each, but I figured I would give them a try. My helper is back. Yeah? You don't say. You like helping with the hauls, huh? Also, it's raining out and my window's leaking. Yay, home ownership. Alright, it's a little bit later. I forgot Dave F. Brother and WhatNot was having a show this morning, so I've been jumping in and out, but I figured I would take a little quick break here and show you the next part of this haul. Again, from Wallyman. We got this little... So these are all patches. Got this owl patch. I'll have to see if he's a mascot or something. Garak's again back to help. These are not for you. Let's see. State Farm Insurance. Oh, yes. Alright. I think I need to do this on a table in the future. District 8. High School Honor Band, 2001. So patches do, they go eBay standard envelope. So that's why I like them. I haven't sold a lot of patches, but I haven't listed many yet either. It's still a new category for me. Oregon Trail-esque thing going on there. Some Boy Scouts or Cub Scouts. Eco driving. Yes, you're adorable. Oh, Jadzia is joining the fray now. Let's see. Gateway Memorial Day soccer tournament. Cool. American flag. I think we have another one of these. Oh, yes. All right. Is that a corn on the cob? DeKalb? I don't know. Google Lens will be my friend for a lot of these. Another one of those. Iowa Trappers Association member. Crestland Corp. This one's got some discoloration. Oh, not core, but co-op. And then let's see, another DeKalb, corn on the cob, Cornfucius joke. If you like watching Papergoy on $1 Million Peddlers, I can speak. All right, so the rest of the haul from Wallyman are all stereo photos, stereo view cards. I've only listed a few in the past. I haven't sold any yet. So I'm not an expert on these, but I figured for less than $1 each, I could, I think it was like 30 cents or 50 cents each. I could give it a try, some more try. So let's see. Turtle Dove's New French Cook. Got some romance going on in the kitchen. Let's see. Another romance card, portrait of sorts. Let's see. The Pompanine Room, Winter Palace, St. Petersburg, Russia. Not for you, Garak. We got some sailors. Sailors Sewing Day. Interesting. Something there. Aerial view. Let's see. Colored Veterans. This one might be interesting, actually. I'll have to pay attention to that one. It's more romance in the kitchen. Don't be shy. 1902. Do you guys list stereo photos? How do you do with them? You list them individually or all together? Moscow River. Okay, we're in Russia again. $18.98. Still not yours. Still not yours. I know, you just want to steal the show. Oh, okay. Come on. Let's see, we got some sort of a windmill. Holland. These are foreign, mostly. Okay, North River, New York City. We got some sailors. Battle of Santiago. Alright, let's try it this way. Let's see. A French 155mm gun. So that's probably... Let's see, we got a date on this one. We don't have a date on this one, obviously, but... Yeah, interesting. That's probably pretty good. Campfire, Chickamauga Park, Georgia. I probably butchered that, but get the idea. Some of these are in a little rough condition. There is information on the back of some of them. Of course, I just show you the one that doesn't. Brave Volunteers, Jefferson Barracks, Missouri. All right, come on. Let's see. Turtle Dove's Next French Cook. Interesting. Think about that one there a minute. Let's see. We back in Russia? Yeah, we're back in Russia. So we're strong carriages. He's just gonna follow those, so I'm gonna finish this up here quickly. Ballroom, Russia again. Winter Palace. Let's see. Well, we're back in the kitchen again. Well, no, we're out of the kitchen, but we're still, I don't think the lady of the house is happy about this arrangement. Let's see. Well, I'm caught, sure enough. Yeah. Oops. Don't be like that. Let's see. After the battle, not sure where. Rugged Grove and Ruined Road. So I'll have to read the back and get some context for listing some of these. These do not go eBay standard envelope, I do not believe. So I've been listing ground advantage shipping. Alright, and we're back with this romantic couple again. So, that's the haul from Wallyman. Yes, I know, wasn't that fun? So, I'm going to split these up into a few videos. So next I'll probably be doing Flip and Rue. And then I think I have a box from Dave F. Brother as well. So, catch you on the next one. Bye. You guys anything to say, Garak? Or are you done? You done? Yeah, okay.